Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the Art3d 16 sets hook and loop tape sticky back. This heavy-duty tape is a game changer when it comes to getting your projects done with ease and efficiency. Crafted with high-density nylon, this hook and loop tape promises unmatched bonding power, ensuring a long-lasting attachment after repeated use. Say goodbye to weak adhesives that just don't stand the test of time. This tape has got your back, no matter what the task. Not only is this tape durable, but it's also incredibly versatile. Whether you want to spruce up your home decor or get your office in order, this adaptable design caters to a myriad of applications. No matter what project you have in mind, this tape is up for the challenge. And the best part? We offer a variety of sizes and packaging choices, ensuring the right fit for any project, big or small. Whether you need a few strips for a quick fix or a larger pack for a big project, we've got you covered. The simple peel and stick mechanism makes installation a breeze. No tools, no mess, just a firm bond in seconds. It's hassle-free and incredibly convenient, so you can spend less time fiddling with adhesives and more time enjoying the finished result. Plus, we offer hook and loop tape in two classic colors: sleek black and pristine white. Match your style or your project's theme with ease and enjoy a seamless professional finish every time. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Art3d 16 sets hook and loop tape sticky back today. Don't miss out on the chance to make your projects a breeze with this durable, versatile tape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.